你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Big Bang Vocab. Here, you can learn and expand your vocabulary in a fun and easy way. Today, let's continue to talk about traditional customs in the Chinese New Year's Eve. In Chúxī, we will paste Spring Festival couplets on gateposts. 贴春联 paste the Spring Festival couplets. 贴 first tone means to paste. 春 first tone. 联 second tone. 春联 means Spring Festival couplets. 春联 shows people's good wishes for the new year. 贴春联 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 Another custom of Chúxī is 放鞭炮 set off firecrackers. 放 fourth tone means to set off. 鞭 first tone. 炮 fourth tone. 鞭炮 means firecracker. 放鞭炮 is supposed to drive away bad things from us and bring good luck. 放鞭炮放鞭炮放鞭炮 Ellie 春节快乐 Happy Spring Festival.You look a bit tired. 昨天晚上我和朋友去放鞭炮。Last night I went out and set off firecrackers with my friends, and then we stayed up all night. In Chúxī, families usually stay up until midnight for the upcoming New Year. This is called 守岁。守岁，守 third tone, 岁 fourth tone.Means year 守岁守岁守岁 Ellie 你除夕守岁吗 Ellie Do you stay up until midnight on the Chinese New Year's Eve? Of course, I will play Majiang with my family. Okay, it's your turn. Leave me a message and tell me if you celebrate the Spring Festival. If so, how do you celebrate it? Don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。It's about midnight. 我们去放鞭炮好吗 Sure, let's go. What are they going to do? Please choose the best answer. They are going to paste the Spring Festival couplets. They are going to set off firecrackers. They are going to make dumplings.Please choose the best answer. It's almost 12 o'clock. 我去放鞭炮 Ellie 小心点儿 Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Ellie's mom is asking Ellie to be careful when setting off firecrackers.Ellie's mom is asking Ellie to be careful when pasting Spring Festival couplets. Ellie's mom is asking Ellie to be careful when cooking. Please choose the best answer. 老公，来帮我一起贴春联吧。
好的。
Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? The lady is asking her husband to set off firecrackers. The lady is asking her husband to buy Spring Festival couplets. The lady is asking her husband to paste the Spring Festival couplets. Please choose the best answer. Ellie, 你除夕守岁了吗？当然，我一边打麻将一边守岁。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Ellie went to bed before 12 o'clock on Chinese New Year's Eve. Ellie stayed up until midnight on Chinese New Year's Eve. Ellie went to bed early on Chinese New Year's Eve. Please choose the best answer. What are they doing? 买春联，写春联，贴春联。Please choose the best answer.